This is the beauty of having a backyard. I got pails collecting rainwater, and I have my plants out here getting rinsed off by nature. Rainwater. No BS inside of it. No tap water with all kinds of who knows what in it. So I have put different ones out here at different times. These are the latest ones. They're being drenched with rainwater, being rinsed with rainwater. The best kind of water. The only thing that I think comes close is well water, because it's like rainwater. Nice. I love it. You guys don't understand. When we permanently live out here, my plants are going to be on some next level BS. They're going to be real bougie. If you've never seen bougie plants before, wait for it, because this is just some of them that's going to be bougie. Bad and bougie. Yes, they will.